Have you ever wondered how to grow the king of fruits, durian, from start to harvest? Let's dive into the world of durian cultivation. First, let's talk about climate and soil. Durian thrives in a tropical climate with temperatures between 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. It loves well-drained, loamy soil with a pH of 6 to 7. Ready to plant? Start by soaking durian seeds in water for 24 hours. Plant them in a pot with soil and compost mix, then transplant them to the ground after 3 months. Ensure they're spaced 9 to 12 meters apart to allow ample growth. Caring for your durian trees is crucial. Water them regularly, but avoid waterlogging. Fertilize every 3 months with organic matter. Prune the trees to remove dead branches and promote airflow. Watch out for pests and diseases. Organic pesticides can help. Harvesting time. Durians take 5 to 7 years to bear fruit. You'll know they're ready when the fruit falls naturally. Be sure to wear gloves when handling durians, as the spikes are sharp. Growing durians has its pros and cons. On the plus side, they're highly profitable and beloved by many. However, they require a long growing period and significant care. Why grow durians? They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, durians boost energy and improve digestion. So, why not start your durian growing journey today? Experience the joy of nurturing your own trees and enjoying fresh, homegrown durians. Happy growing!